Vintage is in.
But not in the science classroom. Welcome to my converted home ec room that is my science classroom. For about 21 years I have been teaching science at the middle school level in this classroom. Come visit some of my carts and different vintage things that I have. The first is our microscope station. Many times this is carted around to other teachers or it's carted to the students' desks. It's very hard to have a microscope lab, especially when we don't have enough outlets. Sometimes we even have to put them where they go over a sink, a major science no-no. Another thing we have are our vintage storage area, circa 1970s. We like to come over here and use the stove. It makes wonderful igneous rocks. Another thing is a cart so that we can have our different materials on it. This can go anywhere in my classroom so the students can do hands-on learning activities. Another vintage area we have is my demonstration cart. I love to get the kids started out with their STEM processing, anything that makes them think and want to do science. Over here we also have our vintage computers on a cart. Kids love to share these with other teachers, especially Mrs. Santani in her 7th grade science classroom. Notice how transportable computers can be these days? They can even get onto that Google thing. Over here we have our overhead. Children love to see things in color. However, if we really want to get some information down, we love our old-fashioned hand balances. So when we're doing science, we want to engage students at all times.
Please vote for Miss Santani
And Mrs. Porter, where we can bring science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to life for our students.